Live from the Mumford Restoration Shop in Raleigh, North Carolina, it's the Mumford Dating Game. Here's the star of the show and your host, Spencer Maiden.
We are back by popular demand for round 2 of the Mumford Dating Game. Management has greenlit us for one more episode, and that might be it, but we're back, and we have a panel of beautiful people right here, and we're gonna need somebody to date some furniture. And I like this guy right here.
Pick me.
This is a guy, Bernard Mumford. He actually greenlit us. He greenlit us for this episode. We're back by popular demand. How are you feeling this week?
Just excellent.
That's great. Man, a few words. Okay, so we're gonna do some dating, some trunks, and can we start with this one right here? What can you tell us?
These are steamer trunks, so we're looking at ones that, these were for the wealthy passengers, probably from the 20s. And so you see how this one has hangers, it has the stand-up capacity or the flattening capacity so that it had a flat top. This one's made by Dependo, definitely from the 20s. This one might be a little bit older or in the 20s as well, and it has this pop-up for hanging the clothes, but this is for skinnier people. See how it has a little less spots for the clothes, and it has drawers and so forth for capacity. And you see how these are flat and able to be stacked on the steamer ship. But here, this is what we call a dome top or a round top trunk, and it was made from the 1870s or 1880s. This is before they figured out that you cannot stack that on a ship or in a carriage because it has a round top. So that's what we're looking at today.
A lot of information about trunks, but not as much information as you're about to get because we're gonna go to commercial break and we'll be back after this message.
Does your sofa need a new look? Maybe a repair or two? Well, at Mumford Restoration, we can help. We specialize in restoring your treasured pieces and family heirlooms. For over 40 years, we have been working miracles to restore family memories.
Thanks for joining us again on the Mumford Dating Game, the game show where nobody actually wins a prize, but you did learn something. I'm Spencer Maiden, your host. This is Bernard Mumford. But we'll catch you next time on the Mumford Dating Game.
The Mumford Dating Game is a Mumford Restoration production.